In this video, we'll cover how to hide my ads in Facebook Ads Library. And as always, I seem to have a degree in being the bearer of bad news. So, as someone with that qualification, hear me when I say you don't. You cannot hide your ads from the ads library. And again, I've checked all the videos on YouTube that say that you can. They are showing something completely different. So, from what I've managed to find out, is that once your ad is live, it goes to the ad library and it stays there for 7 years. That is crazy. So, if you've got a competitor that you feel is stealing your ads or your ad ideas, because I'm seeing this ads library and you can pretty much see every single ad somebody's run, unfortunately, there is no way to remove them from here. So feel free to bash me in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching though. If you did find this helpful and it did end your search and you're not watching 15 more YouTube videos showing you, I don't even know what they're trying to show you, then hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.